Hello guys, my name is Jonah Manzano. So Instagram actually announced today the new cool feature, which is you can actually upload up to 60 seconds of video, and you can also record up to 60 seconds of video or a minute video. Before it was only 15 and 30 seconds, but this was announced today. Have a look at the article or the post that Instagram posted on Twitter. It says here, the 28th of July, Reels up to 60 seconds starting today. See, they have really cool images here. It says no Reels, small brain, 15 Reels, getting there, and then 30 Reels, getting smarter, and then we have the 60 Reels. It's like smarter genius. Really genius, isn't it? All right, so let's get into my Instagram. So this is my Instagram. So if you can follow me when you have time, you don't have to do follow me for follow me. Just follow me when you want. All right, now let's head to the plus sign on the right top. You can also do it on the middle, but I'll prefer on the right top. So here I have a few options here. There's post, reel, story, story highlight, IGTV video, live, and guide. Maybe not a lot of you will have this option depending on your country, because for Reels, I believe that they're still getting a license for which country they live. So let's get into Reel now. So here, as you can see on my screen, I'm pretty sure you can see my face as well, that there's few options. On the left side, you can see there's a music logo. There is a timing here, it says 30, and there's also, it says here, I'm not sure what that is, it's a speed, because I don't really use this, and also the effects, and we have touch up if you want to make yourself pretty or looking handsome and all that. I don't use filter here. And then we have the timer. So the new one is this one, that's the duration one. Okay, so you can select 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. Now, a lot of you will probably don't watch 60 seconds, I'm pretty sure of that. But if you're a musician, this is good. If you're doing tutorial, this is good. Apart from that, I think the most efficient, engaging one is up to 30 seconds, I would say. But again, this is good. Sort of like a TikTok. But of course, TikTok has 3 minutes maximum video, which was announced this year, I believe. From my previous video, you can see that. So let's see if we can, let's try 15 seconds. So here I'm recording 50 seconds. You can see on the top that I still have 10 seconds remaining. I'll stop it. I'll redo it again. So here I'm recording 50 seconds. Sorry, discard that. So 30 seconds and then 60 seconds. See if that's going to record. So here it is recording for 60 seconds. I'm speaking about this cool new feature that Instagram announced. What to talk about when you have 60 seconds of your life? You can talk about anything. You can talk about tutorial tips, makeups. You can talk about school hall learning. A lot of things to talk about, right? Yeah, I'm laughing because when you think about what to talk about 60 seconds, kind of like, oh, what to talk about 60 seconds? But really, there's a lot of things to talk about. Anyway, I won't be long. I'll finish this video up very soon because I'll post this on my YouTube. When you have time, please subscribe, hit that bell button. Appreciate your help, guys, and enjoy your day. Stop.